Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Hello and welcome to my vlog. This is my day one of going back to content creation. Please excuse the setup. This is actually my bedroom's vanity table because currently my husband and my kid are in the living room playing Nintendo Switch, and this is the only place where I can film and do my work as well. I've been doing it's very windy. I've been doing content creation on and off for several years, and I really love content creation. It's just that I'm not really consistent because life happens. When you're a mom, you're very busy keeping someone alive. You tend to prioritize things for other people, and I am the least priority. I just really want to be more consistent, just do the things that I want to do, and hopefully someday I can impact other people's lives as well with my content. So I'm doing this video because I want to document the process, my process of coping with having a very first big client. I think it's been 6 months since I left Apple. So this is my very first big project as a self-employed. This project is about creating an inventory system for a client. They've been present in the Philippines for several decades already, but they've been stuck with the pen and paper system where someone orders, they list all of the orders on a piece of paper, and then that's it. Honestly speaking, I really feel overwhelmed. I feel pressured. I feel the imposter syndrome in me because it's not just me whose name is on the line here. There's also other people involved. I really fear that if I fail this, then everything else fails. There is a big imposter syndrome happening in me right now, and I just finished crying actually because we're just 1 week away to visiting the client's commissary, and I really feel pressured. So come with me to work and feel overwhelmed together. I'm going to wear this. This is actually my drawing glove because I have sweaty palms. So every time I use my iPad, it just gets smudged easily. With this glove here, my sweat doesn't transfer to my iPad. Okay everyone, that's it for the day. Thoughts about this. I'm still overwhelmed, but I'm proud of myself that I did something productive. I didn't just procrastinate it and sulk the whole day. I try to remind myself to take it one step at a time, because if I try and overthink, I'm an overthinker by the way. If I try and overthink things, most likely I'm not gonna finish anything. I'm very proud of my progress for today, and I also created the content which I don't know if any of you will watch or if any of you can relate. I hope someone can relate. Let me know your feedback also of my content creation and whatnot. Yes, baby. Okay. Can I just finish? Okay, I will just finish this. Okay, I will just finish this, okay? See, now I need to play Pokemon Pokopia as well. So, before I end this, please give me a feedback of what to share, what not to share, what things can I improve on. I'm an open book. Just please keep your words kinder. Alright? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.